You're not lazy, you're just lost. Every day you wake up feeling like you're already behind. Your room's a mess, your mind's in chaos, and your goals? They exist only in screenshots and dreams. But what if I told you you're just 30 days away from a life you won't want to escape from? Not hype, no fluff, just a system. This is your 30-day blueprint to fix your life. Let's begin. The truth. You don't need motivation. You need clarity, momentum, and consistency. Most people try to fix everything at once. Diet, money, gym, habits, and then they crash in 3 days. But transformation doesn't happen all at once. It happens one controlled win at a time. So here's the deal. For the next 30 days, you're going to reset your habits, brain, and identity. The system week 1, reset, days 1 through 7. Wake up before 8 a.m., no matter what. Make your bed. Clean your space. No Instagram, no TikTok until after 12 p.m. Write this question every morning. What does the best version of me do today? You're not chasing results. You're chasing identity. Week 2, build, days 8 to 14. Add a 30-minute walk or light workout. Start tracking every dollar. Cut one toxic habit: smoking, junk food, porn, gossip. Read 10 pages daily of any mindset, money, or discipline book. Momentum builds confidence. Keep it simple but intentional. Week 3, execute, days 15 to 21. Create a no matter what habit, e.g., one short video, one blog post, one cold email daily. Audit your circle. Spend less time with time wasters. Start saying no to things that don't serve your vision. This week, you stop being busy. You start becoming dangerous. Week 4, upgrade, days 22 to 30. Double down on what's working, cut out what's not. Add one new skill: investing, editing, budgeting, whatever aligns with your goal. Reflect. Who was I 30 days ago? You'll realize you've become a completely new version of yourself. The shift, you didn't need a miracle. You needed a system. In 30 days, your room changed, your habits has changed, your money changed, you changed. And here's the part nobody tells you. Once you feel that power, you'll never want to go back. Because now, you don't wait for motivation, you build it. If this helped, don't keep it to yourself. Share this with someone who needs a restart. And if you're serious about building financial power next, watch this next video. The power of compounding. How $10 a day can make you a millionaire. Your future self is already waiting. Start day 1 today.